Actually, it is no. It is. I think it is 5:30. See, you can see. Bye bye. And we are going to the bus because we have exams today. Literally, I'm wearing the slipper, doctor slipper. Another distinct folder. By creating an imaginary picture. Now we are studying because we didn't get enough time to revision in the morning. The view, the sunrise, oh my god. So, face fats, oh my god. So we just came, we are in the hall because we're having breakfast. I think I'm having my face fats. Coffee, right? So we just finished our first semester exam of anatomy and physiology. Honestly, we don't have anything to say, okay? We cannot say it's good, nor we can say it's bad. We are... I don't know what happened today. Not that. We just came back. No, we just know it's been like 1 hour since we came back from the exam center. Hey! Oh ho! She's been studying so hard. Hello guys. So today is the next day and today we have the gap and tomorrow is the last exam, which is psychology and sociology. Honestly, now I have to like study, but then I don't feel like studying as always. So, my god, look at my hair. It's so frizzy. Never mind. This one is also like my bang has blown out so long, so I'm gonna try cutting it. The final look. And also my shirt, this t-shirt look like so old. Like it is old, but like during summer it is the best shirt I can ever find because it's made of cotton and it's so windy. It's so thin, it's made of cotton, so it's good for summer. And also this is bought by my sister from Forever 21, so I'm gonna throw it, obviously. But it looks so old, no? And the pimples, oh my god. Yesterday I literally slept at like 1:15 and then woke up at 4. Almost I got 3 hours of sleep. That's why all the pimples came. But tomorrow is the last day of exam. Bye-bye. Oh my god, I look so bad. So I just came back from having my lunch. We are not allowed to take our phones at the mess, so I didn't take. The food was how it should be at hostel. It was like that. Now I've been telling that I'll study, but then it's been like 2, it's like currently 2 p.m. but still I haven't opened the book yet. Pray for me, guys. 한결 편안해지고 했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈 매번 지절했어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너의 색깔은 blue. 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue. 하늘이 파란색인 요요. 너에게서 I can see the light. So we just ordered the sweet curd from outside, but guess what? It's like this. It's very hard, but still we like digging up and we eat. So she's saying no, this curd is imported from Canggu, Sikkim. All these people lah. Hello today. So today is the second day of our exam. Today is psychology and sociology, and we're waiting for the bus to arrive. I'm having hiccups. I don't know who's remembering me. So and we just got ready. So I'll take you guys along with me. Bye. The bus just arrived. We're going downstairs. I'm still deep right now. I just slept for like 2 hours. Barely 2 hours. So I'm not right. I am not sleeping for the best though. I'm in second floor. We are going to the exam center. In the midway, we're gonna have breakfast. Now we are going towards the restaurant to have breakfast. So let's see what they'll give us. I mean, actually, I just say okay. We just want this exam to be over. Our exam just got over. Today was the last exam. Finally, it is over. Now all the burden of our head. So it's okay. Then now we are trying to go home. Probably we'll get holiday. If not, can't do anything. But we are like pleading them to give us holiday because I actually went home in the mid, but then some of my friends didn't go home. And if they don't go even now, then they will like be staying for more than a year in Bangalore, which is horrible. So we're expecting a holiday.
Back to normal, guys.
We're going to have lunch. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं पानी को बर्बादी Bangalore is literally so happy. After I don't know how many months we're getting rain. Bangaloreans are they're very excited to come here. Everybody's screaming from upper floors also.
Finally raining in Bangalore.
Oh my god. I don't know what to say. So our exam just got over and right now we're just like moving around, and also we just got an update that they gave us holiday from 25th of May. I'll be going home, guys. I'll make a lot of videos when I go home because I have tons of ideas and it's probably gonna be very interesting.